Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 66-piece little tool set. This thing here is a ratcheting tool set. I use one of these all the time and it is so incredible. If you do not own one of these, this is a good one to get. You have the ability to ratchet this on with any one of these different tips. Now if you're doing electronics or you're doing woodworking, you've got a variety of different tips. Everything from small, really small ones to even these longer, bigger, more typical use ones. And to kind of give you an idea, I'm going to kind of pull one of these out here. It's kind of a standard Phillips head one. It goes into the end of this. Extremely strong magnet. It's going to hold that in place. That's going to allow you to tighten things up. You've got a switch on the top that allows you to loosen it. These also, all these pieces are removable. So if you need to get a tighter space, you can easily do that, get yourself some leverage, still do the same thing. You can also extend it out even further and then use it like a traditional screwdriver, only you still get that leverage on there. So that way, if you're going to go over here and you've got a screw that maybe is against something you can't get close to, you can easily put it in there, ratchet that around, pull that out. If we're going to tighten it back in, tighten something like that back in. I mean, that is going to work out really, really well. If you are needing to get leverage, like I said, even further, you can put these on the end or put them both on a single end. You have a lot of leverage to do that. If you're going to do something small, maybe you've got to have some smaller type screws to do more electronic work, you have these other little ones here that can easily fit into this adapter. That adapter then can fit in, and now you've got a tiny one that you can use so that if you're needing to go in here and get some of these tinier screws, or you're going to be working on some electronics, you easily have the ability to come in here and do that, get those things tightened in or loosened out of there. And they also work in these deeper holes so that if you need to stick them down in there, you can easily work on that as well. They do send you this little magnet piece, which I had not seen. This says it is a mobile phone repair tool screw memory mat. So if you're pulling out a whole bunch of little screws, this is a little magnetic back piece that you can easily put them in there, kind of keep track of where everything is on whatever you're working on, which is really great. They also are color coordinated with little bands so that you can easily remember where they go back into here. And since everything fits in a nice case, it doesn't take up a lot of space for you. This would work great for you to keep for yourself or give this as a gift because everyone needs to have one of these.